Hello, Scarface. Good morning from Mare Woods. We have all Toms this morning. Tom is talking to Kit Kat. I call Tom their other cat because mother cat and other cat have identical markings. This is the male of the two that have identical markings. And that there's Scarface, Kit Kat, other cat, Felix the cat. Oh. Let's see who comes back to the food first. I just sat down and they are feasting on scallop flavor with fish and tuna. And it has little white bits in it. And the other cat is back. Closely followed by Scarface. These guys fight during the night, but in the morning when it's time to eat, they're not best of friends, but they tolerate each other. There's a definite hierarchy. And this other cat seems to be higher on the totem pole than old Scarface. Little Felix, he's the bottom of the totem pole. It takes them a while to get used to people sitting so close while they're eating, but other cat here has gotten used to us. All right, God bless. Happy day.